Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out Will's favorite pizza place, Lucali. And after 2 hours, we're finally back to try out Lucali. We ended up getting 2 large pizzas and a calzone.
Just drink it, just drink it.
And next up is the old school soda and sundae shop, Brooklyn Farmacy. Let's end the night with a stunning view from the Brooklyn Promenade.
What the heck? I thought so too. I thought you were it too.